Take a ride in the 2017 Chevrolet Spark. Chevy Spark, Chevrolet's first mini car, offers effortless driving on congested highways and roads with excellent fuel economy. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, trip computer, rear window defroster, electronic stability control, tachometer, brake assist, rear window wiper, cloth seat trim, driver vanity mirror, tilt steering wheel, front bucket seats, passenger vanity mirror, rear spoiler, radio data system, low tire pressure warning, front wheel independent suspension, 4-piece floor mat set. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.